little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 14, that is the dragon and the hero. So in this chapter we will study about the dragon and the hero. So thousands of years ago, Vladimir first was the prince of the old city of Kiev, Russia. तो one day what happened, एक दिन क्या होता है कि एक great feast होती है and he invited princes and noble men. और यहाँ पे वो प्रिंसेस को, नॉबल मैंस को, रिच मर्चेंट्स को और ब्रेव वॉरियर्स और कैनाइट्स को क्या करते हैं, इनवाइट करते हैं. सो व्हाट हैपन, वन ऑफ द नाइट ऑफ द फीस्ट, प्रिंस व्लादिमीर एंड हिज गेस्ट सेट टुगेदर एट अ लॉन्ग टेबल इन अ बिग हॉल. एक बड़ी सी टेबल, एक हॉल होता है बड़ा सा, उसमें एक बहुत बड़ी सी टेबल होती है, सारे आके वहां पे बैठ जाते हैं. द गेस्ट टॉक्ड एंड क्रैक जोक्स, एक दूसरे पे जोक्स मारते हैं, टू मेक लाफ ईच, और एक दूसरे पे क्या करने लग जाते हैं, लाफ कर, हंसने लग जाते हैं. सो सडनली व्हाट हैपन, ड्रैगन बर्स्ट इनटू द हॉल, और ड्रैगन बर्स्ट हो जाता है हॉल में, एंड ही वॉक्ड ऑन द टेबल एंड पुश्ड हिमसेल्फ बिटवीन प्रिंस व्लादिमीर और जो उनकी वाइफ थी, दैट इज अप्रक्षा. द ड्रैगन वॉज ट्वाइस एज टॉल एज द मैन. वो कितना लंबा था, टॉल था एज मैन, विद टीथ लाइक स्पाइक्स, और क्लॉज से जैसे आपके नाइफ्स होते हैं. Right, when he opened his mouth, flame shot forth or black smoke thing, it curled out of the nostrils. Everyone was too frightened to say the word, everyone, that is except the hero, Alyosa Popovich. He glared angrily at the dragon and said loudly, what kind of ill-mannered creature are you? आप कैसे ill-mannered हो, कितने बदतमीज creature हो? And the dragon did not reply. He took the whole pie from the platter and swallowed it whole. Then what happened? वो एक wine drank करते हैं, जो एक large flagon होता है, a large flagon. What a gluton! Yield the hero, क्या कहते हैं? What a gluton! And you have no more manners than an as animal. This was too much for the dragon. He sprang to his feet. Will you come outside and fight me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ बाहर आओगे, मेरे से लड़ाई करोगे? So Alyosha Povich, he roared. Of course, said the hero with a cheerful smile. They both moved to the courtyard. और दोनों कहाँ move करते हैं, courtyard में. And the princes, nobles and rich merchants, they agreed that Alyosha Povich had no chance against the dragon. They began to make best amongst themselves and how long it would take the dragon to finish off the hero. कितना time लगेगा उसको finish off करने. So well, Alyosha Popovich, how would you like to die? Asked the dragon with dreadful smile. Shall I chew out the bits with my spike like? क्या मैं इसको अपने दांतों से काट दूं? Shall I slice you to pieces with make our lives claws? Shall I roast you a cinder with my fierce breath? कि मैं अपने जो बेटे सांस लेता है ना, उसको suck कर लेता है. So but Alyosha put his hands on his hips and scowled. और वो scowled कहता, now see here, he said angrily. अब वो गुस्से में कहता है, now let's see here, अब देखो इधर. This was to be a fight between just the two of us. He pointed behind the dragon. Why have you brought an army here? कि तुम यहाँ आर्मी क्यों लेके आए हो? Right? To help you fight. Dragon are not very clever, but heroes are. The dragon turned to see what Alyosha was pointing at. Quick as a finger snap, Alyosha drew his sword and cut off the dragon head. और वो क्या करता है, sword से dragon का head काट देता है. Right? So this was a story about the dragon, right? Hope you understood. Now we'll start with the exercise. So who was the prince of old city Kiev? कौन थे? Vladimir first. Who was the hero? Hero कौन था? Alyosha Popovich, right? And Alyosha Popovich told dragon that he was handsome, ill-mannered, good-looking, या फिर smart. He was ill-mannered. Who pushed himself between prince and his wife? Can I? Now, fill in the blanks. Everyone was too frightened to say a what? Now fill in the blanks. Everyone was frightened to say a word. You have no more dash than a pig. Shall I slice you a piece with my spikes like claws? Why have you brought an dash here to help you fight? Why you have brought an army? Next is the dragon turned to see what Alyosha was pointing. Now write T for true and F for false statement. At one night, a long snake burst into the hall. It's true. The dragon did not get reply of the prince. It's true. Dragon was clever. It's true. A dragon asked Alyosha to fight with him. False. Now answer the following. Who held a great feast? किसने held करके? प्रिंस ने. What happened when the dragon opened his mouth? क्या होता है जब ड्रैगन अपना माउथ ओपन करता है? What did the nobleman think about the fight of Alyosha and the dragon? Right? Why did the dragon ask Alyosha to fight him with him? What did Alyosha say to the dragon? जब वो fight कर रहे थे तो Alyosha क्या कहते हैं? To bring an army over there to fight. Right? So now chapter has been completed. We have done with exercise. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.